Science!
Oh.
Woo! Science! Hey kids, Professor Marbles here. Today we're gonna make drawings that float, but outside where it's safe.
We interrupt this program to bring you an important word from Professor Marbles.
Science.
That is all.
All right, now we're at the lab. We're gonna get started making our drawings that we're gonna make float. So, we'll get our pen and I love what? Oh, is this isn't right? Oh, darn it. All right, take two.
Wait, what?
Oh, I see what I did. Well, we can do something else. We can do this. Science. All right, now we're gonna add water on this and it should lift the letters off the plate, and then we're gonna play with them with the spoon. Oh, it's kind of working. Oh, it's kind of working. Oh, it's kind of working. Oh, the stick figure guy came up and he's swimming around. Oh, I can get it because it's the letter I. Science. Look at the little guy. How cool. Science! That's the end of this experiment. Thanks for watching. Remember to always look for the science around you, and I'll see you in the next experiment.
Hardness, scratch, luster, shine, cleavage break, streak powder,